Sausage soup. This is a great soup after coming in from the snow. Ingredients: 1 pound Italian sausage, 2 onions, chopped, 1 28-ounce, can whole peeled tomatoes with juice, 6 cups chicken broth, 2 teaspoons dried basil, 2 cups bow tie pasta, 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1/2 cup shredded cabbage. Step 1. In a soup pot, cook sausage over medium heat until no pink remains. Step 2. Add onions, celery, and carrots. Cook uncovered for 5 minutes, or until onions are soft. Step 3. Add tomatoes, chicken broth, cabbage, and basil. Bring to a boil. Stir in macaroni and cover. Simmer for 10 minutes or until pasta is tender. Season with garlic salt. Serve.